5 quick safety tips every college student should know. Tip number 1, lock your doors. This may seem like common sense, but just a simple reminder to lock your car doors, dorm room doors, or apartment doors and secure those valuables. Tip number 2, learn the campus. You should make note of all the areas in which you'll find yourself. Look for emergency exits in the buildings you'll have classes in. Look for the shortest and safest routes between classes or anywhere else you may visit on campus. Tip number 3, be social media savvy. It's common for students to post where they are and where they're going on social media. However, if you want to post about your whereabouts or photos from an event, do it after you've left so you don't tell your location to people who shouldn't have it. Tip number 4, use the buddy system. Wherever you travel around campus or off campus, try to stay with at least one friend or roommate. By having someone with you, you greatly reduce your risk of any type of threat. Your buddy's an extra set of eyes and ears and can call for help if needed. Tip number 5, call campus security. It's a good idea to have the number for campus safety and security programmed into your phone, as well as the local police and fire departments, so whether you're on or off campus and need assistance, you can access it quickly.